Alright guys, welcome back. So today is the day. This is my dried 24 by 24 gallery wrapped. It has a massive spot of color shift. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. How it's shifting right now. I just go bananas over this kind of stuff. Anyway, it was a really loud, obnoxious piece, and that's kind of the way I wanted it. So I hope you enjoy it, and through the video I'm going to draw out of my subscribers, and I'm really thankful to have you all here supporting me. So this is my year on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. Enjoy. The same. Silicone is in the same colors. The only difference is I added alizarin crimson. I thought that the one painting that had like a lot of red from it, from the prism violet, I really thought that was pretty. So I made alizarin crimson this time, which doesn't... No, it does not have silicone in it. But silicones are, silicones. Silicone is in all the other colors. So I have 4 cups. These are 9-ounce cups, but I'm only gonna fill them like 3/4 of the way high. Like these I get at Family Dollar. They're, for 50 of them, they're $2, so you really can't beat it. The paint pulls right out of it pretty easily too. They're a lot wider than the ones you can get from Walmart. So 9 ounces is like right to the top of my finger. I'm gonna pour the paints differently. Yesterday I went down the line and poured the same thing in each cup. I'm just gonna pour randomly and switch it up out of my head, and we'll see what kind of a difference it makes. I'm gonna start with white in 2 of the cups, okay? Like that. And then maybe what I'll do is invert the colors or something. So just sprinkle it down this, sprinkle it over it. That's usually how I do it. The glue is very hard to mix. That's one thing I've noticed. So, you could be kind of aggressive with your pouring and not worry about, over mixing and creating mud. It stays separate pretty well. So, alright. Another thing I love next to each other is the purple and the bright aqua green. It makes this blue color that is just so pretty. Yeah, just to make sure. The prism violet. Let's get some black in there. Let that drip for a minute. Whoops. Right. All right, so let's do this. The first winner for tonight's drawing is Matt Gurney. Congratulations, Matt. Thank you so much for watching. And I will go ahead and leave instructions in the description box unless you belong to Art Addicts group on Facebook, or if you follow Res Inspired on Facebook, then you can always message me. Okay, winner number 2 is, whoops. Tokyo Makes. That is Jenn Willett. Thank you so much, Jenn. Congratulations on your channel, and I really appreciate all the shout outs and all of your hard work. Congratulations, Jenn. All right, guys. So thanks so much for participating. There still is one more slot, and I will give you the details on that. All right. Thanks again, everybody. Have a good night. In and out. In. Sorry. I am really trying to just stay calm. After yesterday, that is very difficult. So big canvases, get your corners. It is very important. You will save yourself a great deal of pain later, I promise. I also leave my cups on the side in case I need them for any reason. Okay. All right. All I want to do right now is just connect everything together. So I'll bring it in to the center, then pull it back, and then do a circle around, because that's basically, you know, connecting all of your paint. Okay. Into kind of a square. And then you recenter yourself. And then this is the part where I'll torch up high. Oh my goodness. So you guys may not be able to see what I'm seeing, so I'm gonna bring you down. That's unbelievable. I probably can torch more there. Whoops, I hit stop instead of taking a photo. All right. I'm going to torch just a little more in a couple spots that I had seen. Okay. Time to get this potty started. Here we go. Yes. Actually, now that I think about it. I'm so glad I did a base coat. Nice and slow. Wow. All right. That's cool looking. Wow. 12 by 24 canvases are very difficult to do. Oh my goodness. I feel like, oh man. Nope. I can't bring myself to do anything. I'm not digging this over here too much, but I'll let you guys see so you can, before I decide to do anything with it. That's the alizarin crimson right there. It's a little blotchy up in here. I'm not really liking this at all. I might have to make that go. But this is just like cobblestone cells. Whoa. My goodness. Alright, so here we are the next day. Everything has stayed put. All movement has stopped. It's still really wet. I mean, the edges, you know how it goes, I'm sure. But the edges have dried and it's starting to work its way in. There are some really pretty features about this. It's definitely not the one I did the other day, but I tried. I just love how, you know, the cells have like outlines on them. I did pour off that corner off camera. I couldn't deal with it. So, and it was probably a good thing that I did, because I really was able to stretch the orange so it kind of looks like the orange is coming together, like it's trying to get together. And then I took my popsicle stick and I connected it like that. I felt that was necessary. That looks cool. I think that's a color palette in itself right there. I love it. I love stuff like that. This is how I pick my colors. I'll do a video on my colors and how I choose things and how I go and find them. But I save my this might be crazy to you, I know. But it has worked. So I save a drip from every pour that I've done. And a couple have fallen off. They really don't stick very well. So, yeah, that's like a skeleton. Put little eyes on it. Look like a mummy. Anyway, but whenever I need some inspiration, I just look at these drips and I can find it pretty quickly.